You want to become a power healer? Well, this is lesson number 15. Behind pain and grief and darkness is true gifts. Hi, my name is Jason Stepina, and I'm a healer and a teacher with over 20 years of experience. Now, if you're a healer, you have probably seen some shit, because people that are attracted to becoming healers have not had the sunniest, shiniest, easiest life. Usually you have your fair share of trauma. And so what does that give to you? Or what does that offer you? And on this channel, we don't believe in good and bad. We don't believe that the light is good and the dark is bad. We believe everything is totality, everything is God, everything is the absolute, and everything has its place and purpose and deserves to be honored, even the darkness. So when you unpack your darkness, and I'll just use myself as an example, when I unpacked my darkness and my trauma and really worked on it, when I got to the other side of it, I had these amazing gifts. So when I got to the other side of it, that's when I started having really intense expansion, really intense spiritual experiences. So my traumas were turned into gifts at the end, but it was up to me to sort of unpack that darkness, to unpack that pain. And so pain and grief and, trauma and darkness can be gifts in the end.